Your most valuable asset could be hiding in plain sight. If your mortgage is coming out for renewal, you're probably focused on rates and term lengths. But for many Albertan homeowners, renewal is a chance to access a valuable asset, one they may not know about. I'm Guillermo, a mortgage renewal advisor at ATB. In this video, we'll go over the basics of home equity and how you can use it. Home equity is the portion of your home that you own. It's the difference between your home's current market value and the outstanding balance on your mortgage, plus any other loans secure against the property. For instance, let's say your home is appraised at $500,000 and you still owe $300,000 on your mortgage. You have $200,000 in home equity. The most common ways to access home equity is to refinance your mortgage, add an additional mortgage, or set up a home equity line of credit, aka a HELOC. A HELOC is a revolving line of credit secure against your home. You can draw money from it whenever you want, up to your approval limit, and you only pay interest on the amount you use. An additional or secondary mortgage is a separate loan with its own terms, interest rate, and repayment schedule that is registered on the title of your property in a secondary position to your original mortgage. Refinancing, also called a cash-out refinance, involves replacing your current mortgage with a larger one. You receive the difference in value between the new and old mortgages as a lump sum of cash. Most lenders have solutions where you can have access to any of the products I mentioned above under a total equity limit. This solution allows you to plan for future borrowing needs, eliminating additional applications and costs. Home equity is a financial asset. In theory, you can use it to fund almost anything, from NHL season tickets to your wedding. But it's most commonly used to take advantage of the interest rates available. This is some of the cheapest debt you can get that makes it a great fit for things like home renovations, debt consolidation, investments, large purchases like a new vehicle, or university tuition. There are 4 big advantages to use home equity for major purchases or investments. The biggest is the interest rate. Interest rates for mortgages and HELOCs are generally lower than the rates for unsecured loans or credit cards. Second, it can increase the market value of your home if you use it for certain renovations. Renovations can also match your lifestyle if it is changing, such as in-law suite or basement development for kids. Third, it can provide financial flexibility to get you through a rough spot or seize an unexpected opportunity. Finally, it can simplify your payments. If you use your home equity to consolidate debt, you'll streamline multiple payments into one. Like any financial instrument, there are potential downsides linked with using home equity. You should know about them before you jump in. It's more debt, which could strain your monthly budget. It's important to understand that accessing home equity uses your home as security. If payments become difficult, your lender may need to take steps which could potentially impact your ownership. You'll need to pay fees to do it, legal fees, appraisal fees, and potentially prepayment penalties. Your refinance mortgage can also have a higher interest rate. Finally, the length of time you will have a mortgage payment. Borrowing against the equity in your home has restrictions. Your financial institution may allow you to borrow money secure against your home equity. They may also call this equity release. You can usually borrow up to 80% of your home's value. A HELOC works much like a regular line of credit. You can borrow up to 65% of your home's value. You can borrow money whenever you want, up to the credit limit. You can pay it back and borrow again. Mortgage renewal can be a smart time to access your home equity for 3 reasons. First, renewal is a major milestone. You should be assessing not just your mortgage, but your overall financial situation. Doing this can help you see if using your home equity for a renovation or debt consolidation is a good idea. Second, the process is streamlined, saving you time. You're already talking to your mortgage lender, so it's easy to include this in the discussion. Finally, it can save you money. Sometimes certain fees like appraisal or legal fees are reduced or waived if you access your home equity at renewal. If you like to use your home equity, you should review your financial situation and have your home's value formally appraised. You should also shop around and compare your current Alberta mortgage lender's offer with other financial institutions. A mortgage expert can help you with this. Above all, you should ask questions and seek out information to make an informed decision. Knowledge really is power. Thanks for watching. If you have a money or personal finance question, add a comment. We might answer yours in our next video.